Hey everybody, Justin Senior here. In this video, I'm going to show you some really cool technology in a Shopify store. I'm going to show you how to allow your customers to virtually try on your Shopify products. This is really cool and could be a big game changer for your store. And I'm talking about offering a virtual try-on inside of your Shopify store. And you talk about increasing trust and conversion rate. This is exactly how to do it. And with so many Shopify stores out there, you need a way to stand out. And I'm telling you, this is a great way to do that. This is going to build an engaging, exciting storefront that's going to lead to increased conversion rate and, of course, increased sales, more money in your pocket. And a popular strategy is to allow your customers to virtually try on your Shopify products right inside your Shopify store. It's really, really cool. It's exactly as it sounds. I'm going to show you the demo, and then we'll go over the shoulder and you'll see exactly how this works. There's obviously no built-in way to do this with Shopify. You're going to need to use an app, and the app needs to be super easy to work with and really work with your existing imagery. That's the kind of big thing here. You're going to see how powerful the AI is to actually work with the imagery that you upload here. And it's going to allow your customers to mix and match products and combinations, which is going to really allow them to start buying multiple products, seeing that average order value, the AOV, go sky high because they're able to literally see multiple products together. And I'm going to show you exactly how this works over the shoulder. But this is the PICTOFiT app, and you see the link directly below this video. Incredibly cool, highly powerful, that virtual try-on for Shopify. And I'm going to bring the app over here. You get a 30-day free trial over here with PICTOFiT virtual try-on, and it's really all about creating that immersive virtual dressing room. So they could obviously see how products are going to look, but more so they can mix and match and see how products look together. And that's great news for you as a seller. It means they're going to buy multiple products. They're going to have a higher level of confidence to see exactly what they're going to look like. You're going to have lower returns because they're going to literally be able to do this virtual dressing room try-on with the PICTOFiT app. Very, very powerful. They can mix and match garments. Like I said, they could choose from standard models, or you can create your own personalized mannequin. So you could have your full brand control over there, and you could have different backgrounds, different scenes, different environments, again, to match the style of your brand and really just to help give the customer more confidence to go ahead and buy that product, and really gives accurate size recommendations as well, so your customers can get a true visualization of the product. And we're going to go ahead and install the app over here, clicking this black install button, but I want to show you a demo over here first. This is really cool, the PICTOFiT demo, and they have this linked in their store. And we can go into any product over here, and we're going to be able to actually go ahead and click add to dressing room. And when we go to the dressing room over here, and again, I'll go over this in the back end. We'll go walk through the app, but this is what we're talking about. We can go ahead and select an avatar, and we have click to try on. So literally going to be putting this garment over here, in this case the denim gray pants, putting them on the model. Right now we have over here different garments, and you could imagine it having different shirts, and you could do different avatars, you could do different scenes, right? We change a little lavender background over here. We'll just change the look and feel of how everything looks over here, and really very powerful over here. We could add all of our products to cart. We could change different sizing and things like that, but really cool. Again, not just the image over here, but taking the product image and the AI leveraging their technology to place it on this live model. And then having different scenes, different avatars. You can have your own custom avatar as well. So they call these mannequins, but really, really powerful. And you see it in action. We're going to go ahead and actually add this by clicking the install app button. We'll add this into our store. You get a 30-day free trial, and I'll show you just how easy it is to get this going. So we'll go ahead and press install over here. And this is going to bring us into the permissions page, where we're simply going to allow PICTOFiT to work with our store. So we'll click install app right over here in the top corner. And now this is going to bring us into the PICTOFiT app. Here is the onboarding screen that we're going to walk through, and I'll show you all the important things in terms of what we're going to do and how to enable that virtual dressing room, but really just kind of telling you what's going to be going on here. And we're going to get into the content management system, basically the dashboard over there. This is where you'll be able to have those mannequins or models to wear your garments. Come over here, dressing rooms, and we can go with the demo products. I think it's a good idea. We're going to basically create some sample products in here. So you'll be able to see exactly how this works and how you can play around with this and really kind of figure out how to best use this for your store. Also, a really easy way you can just manipulate these and edit them so you can use them with your own products as well. So we have our dashboard here, step 1 completed. We can connect to our content management system over here. This is an easy way to just kind of keep everything in one place. So you can go ahead and create your account right over here. So you just create that free account over there, then you're connected to the CMS. Now we can create our own virtual garments. This is the cool part over here, and this is step 3 in the onboarding. This is going to be where we create virtual garments that, you know, we could see people wearing, and first 5 are free over here. So we'll go to the product area and we'll be able to select from some of the different products. This is obviously just a collection of our own products in here. You can click through, see your entire product catalog. And you see these are the demo products over here. They can't be created virtually because they already are connected. So you can come over here and select any of them. I'm going to go with this one over here. And we can select a ghost mannequin or a frontal shot. And we're going to go ahead and select the garment here. I'll go ahead and select the t-shirt. And we'll use this selected image over here. And you see virtual garment is being created. It can take up to 10 minutes. And you'll see that this one or that product that I created over here, the I Know Car, is now going to be similar to these demo products that we'll be able to play with. You'll also want to come over here to add UI elements. I'm going to show you what we need to do over here, but basically we're just enabling it inside of our theme. So we come over into the theme settings, into our theme editor. We'll come right here, click customize. And there's a little section over here for app embeds. We're going to come down here. We see PICTOFiT, toggle this on, and we'll press save. That gives us the ability to now have this installed without really any code required at all. So really, really powerful in terms of that. We could also come over here and look in our apps and come over here and add the open dressing room icon. So we're going to add that over here, and this is going to give us the ability to now have this, and we can move this around, put it wherever we want on our site. It's kind of like the shopping cart icon, except this is for dressing room. So we have this over here. We could do different colors over here. Let's say we want to match it closer to our brand, and can make the button a little bit bigger so it sticks out. And we have our setup here. Of course, we'll save. And now our open dressing room icon is available. I'll keep this over here so we could actually play around with it and see how it's going to work. So that's pretty much all that we need to do in terms of the onboarding. You want to go ahead and select a plan. You're going to get that free trial that's being implemented right now as we're working on this. But you get to pick in terms of the difference in terms of visitors, how many people are going to be visiting your site. It's going to depend on your plan over here, starting at only $35 a month. So you get that free trial. You'll see how PICTOFiT is working, how it's really adding that second layer in terms of a selling tool and adding more products into your cart from your customers. You'll see why it's worth paying for it monthly. But you get that 30-day free trial you see right over here. So we have that set up now, and we're going to come over here and click Preview Dressing Room. This is going to actually show us what customers are going to be able to see. So the avatars are going to load, and these are completely customizable in terms of your platform. We can go here and click Use This Avatar. And you see that we have some of the demo products that PICTOFiT added into your store. Basically, we're going to be able to click to try on. And that's the real powerful thing here. You see it all happens virtually. And these are going to be your products as well. You could imagine that you have hoodies or t-shirts or really any print-on-demand apparel or any apparel in general will look good on here. Start to have things where they can now combine different products, right? Obviously, they get to take a look at how this jacket looks, but now they get to see how the jacket and the jeans look together, and hopefully they'll buy both at the same time. So we can kind of play around with all of these different products over here and say, okay, put this one on, and they'll be able to see how this one looks instead of the jacket, right? All right, so it's happening there live right inside here. When you click the look button, the real cool thing is you could add all of this to cart. All right, you come over here, select your variants as well. So if there's any specific variants, you'll be able to select that. But we have the idea here that, first of all, you could basically share this outfit. So the built-in shareability. But being able to add all of these products into the cart, that's the real kind of magic here. That's the real money-making aspect. It's a very engaging add-on to your site, but revenue-wise, this is the kind of the magic sauce here, where we're going to have that higher average order value. People are going to see the combination of things and be able to add them. And of course, you can go ahead and have different avatars in here. You could set this up in the app over here. You can take a look at different scenes as well in terms of background. You'll be able to have all of that kind of set up right over there. But again, really being able to add all the products to cart, right? That's the big thing here. So coming back into the app, we're going to go into products. And again, this is going to be where you're able to create those virtual garments. Avatars, as we saw, the different avatars that we can go ahead and activate or deactivate. We'll go ahead and add Harris and Valerie and who else? Right, we have all these that are active and inactive ones. So we can continue to add in there. Take a look at different scenes as well. You see we have turquoise, we could add green and white. And let's say we don't want green, we can just go ahead and deactivate that. We could set that one to be our default scene as well. Or let's say we make white our default scene. Coming down into settings, right, we have our plan. Of course, we'll want to select our plan over here. Everything else, we're going to be able to change this in terms of different names for size, but really we're totally fine here in terms of sizing. Unless you have some kind of weird non-normal sizing options, you might want to add in variants here, but I think that's probably few and far between. So pretty simplistic in terms of how to do everything over here. It's really just about creating that virtual garment for your product and then selecting the image that you want to have associated with it. In that case, we walk through it with this I Know Cars product. So if you come over here and click edit, we're now going to see our product turned into this virtual try-on product in here, in this case with the avatar being Fred. And something that's really cool about this app is you don't need to go crazy creating new imagery or anything like that. You see automatically the image, in this case a print-on-demand mock-up, right? It's not even the real product, it's just a digital mock-up. You see how good it looks. In this case, right on top of Fred, we could try with Daniela, right? And now we have some options over here. Always in dressing room, right? Because we could always have this product available for a top seller, right? You might want to have this always shown as an option in the dressing room, right? And we have available or not available. Of course, we'll have that in there and we'll save that. So you see just how easy it is, right? There isn't a ton of work to be done. It's using your existing product imagery. The app is incredibly flexible in terms of being able to create that and now have this product as a virtual garment. So that was PICTOFiT, super cool. As you saw, really easy to use as well, works with the imagery. You don't need to go crazy with creating new custom imagery or anything like that. And you're gonna be able to implement that virtual try on. And like I said, you'll see increased conversion rate, increased engagement, increased time on site, but really the best part, increased average order value when you see people mix and match and start adding the entire bundle of products to their cart all at once inside of the PICTOFiT app. Very powerful, very conducive to increasing AOV and generating you more revenue. So I highly recommend it. See the link directly below this video. Make sure you add it into your store, and I hope this helps you make some money. Talk to you real soon.